Happy New Year's! I'm Mike Zima, a digital marketing expert, and I just wanted to create my first video of the year. This video is targeted at the Gary V Challenge. I'm starting my second year of the Gary V Challenge. The first year has been just learning my craft again, finding my voice, creating the content, planning the content, and not being ashamed about the quality. It's really important that you have to get your idea out the door as quickly as possible. And then, from some of the advice you'll hear that Gary says and how to produce content. Because why am I doing this? The meaningful thing is if you have something to say, you create content and a message around that, and it's communication. So one of the things that are driving me this year and this decade is open sourcing marketing and allowing more businesses and more marketing experts to actually get to a high caliber, the highest caliber that we seek out when we hire new people starting at our agency, and also giving us a great tool set that we can all rely on and helping our customers to actually become more independent and utilize more marketing themselves. Marketing is not difficult in practice. It is difficult to actually achieve the results you want through execution. It is difficult to achieve the results you want through the creative, but that's something that you can learn, but you have to be good at least on the math, or you have to be good on the art. If you have one of those two pieces, you should be able to figure out how to map those two together. If you're fortunate to be a Renaissance person, you can do both, and those two are going to be phenomenal when crafted together by one individual. So every type of communication you have needs to be out there, and that's why year 2 is going to be the most important one for me yet.